Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Kumar with my group member Aditya, Ronak and Ayush are going to tell you about our chemistry art indication project on the topic osmosis. We have often observed raw mango shrink when kept in salt water. Flower remain fresh for longer time when kept in water, but we never think how this happens. This is due to the osmosis, the process of flow of solvent molecules from solution of lower concentration to a solution of higher concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. The hydrostatic pressure which develops on account of osmosis is known as osmotic pressure. Now let us know about the osmotic solutions. There are three types of osmotic solutions: isotonic, hypotonic and hypertonic. Two solutions having the same osmotic pressure at a given temperature is called isotonic solution. A solution having the lower osmotic pressure than other solution is called hypotonic, while a solution having the higher osmotic pressure is called hypertonic. And now my friend Ronak will perform an experiment to show how osmosis takes place.
So for the experiment, we are having 3 potatoes, a boiled one and 2 raw ones. We are also using water, knife and some salt. So we are going to make a hole in these potatoes so that we can put our salt in it. So we have cutted some pieces from the potatoes and now we are going to add some salt in a boiled one and in a raw one. So as you can see, we have poured some salt in a boiled one and a raw one. Now so we are going to pour some water in the container. So we have poured the water in a boiled one and a raw one, and as you can see, there is no effect taking place in the boiled one, but in the raw one the salt is getting dissolved and changing its color. And as by time the salt in the raw potato has somehow dissolved and somewhat has changed its color, and in the boiled one there is no effect taking place, which shows that a raw potato shows osmosis.
Myself Aditya Verma. Now I will be explaining about reverse osmosis. So, as the name suggests, reverse osmosis is just the reverse process of osmosis. Osmosis can occur naturally whenever there is a difference in concentration between two solutions. But reverse osmosis takes place only when external energy applied to the more sustained solution. Application of large osmotic pressure to the solution side reverses the direction of osmosis. This phenomenon makes the pure solvent flow out of the solution to the semi-permeable. Reverse osmosis is extensively used desalination of sea.
I, Aditya Jha, from class 12th A, will explain the significance of osmosis. These are the significance of osmosis. Osmosis helps in transport of nutrients and release of metabolic waste products. It also helps in stabilizing the internal environment by maintaining the balance of water and intercellular fluid levels. It also helps in absorption of water from the soil and transport it to the upper parts of the plant through xylem. It also helps in cell turgidity. It helps to control the dehiscence of fruits and sporangia. Higher osmotic pressure helps the plant against drought injury. It also helps to maintain the constant water level despite the loss of water through transpiration.
Students always have a confusion between osmosis and diffusion. I will clear your all confusions about this topic. There are some points which differentiate osmosis and diffusion. The process of osmosis takes place through a semi-permeable membrane, but in diffusion, no semi-permeable membrane needed for this process. The osmosis involves the movement of solvent molecules only, but in diffusion, both the solute and the solvent molecules are movable. In osmosis, molecules of solvent move from a region of lower concentration to the region of higher concentration. But in diffusion, the molecules move from a region of higher concentration into the region of lower concentration. osmosis is limited to solutions only, but diffusion is common in gases as well as in liquids. Osmosis can be stopped or reversed by applying additional pressure on the higher concentration side, but diffusion cannot be reversed or